Frame Gride, Fighting Force 2, Heavy Metal Geomatrix, ECW Hardcore Revolution, WWF Royal Rumble. Developer Utes Sega. Fighting Vipers. Fighting Vipers. ECW Anarchy Rulz. WWF Attitude. Psychic Force. Psychic Force. The King of Fighters 2000. Developer SNK Playmore. Cyber Troopers Virtual on Oratorio Tangram. Cyber Troopers Virtual on Oratorio Tangram. Mortal Kombat Gold. King of Fighters 2001. King of Fighters 2001. Psychic Force 2012. Dynamite Cop. Fighting Vipers 2. King of Fighters 2002. Street Fighter Roman 3 New Generation. Developer Capcom. The King of Fighters 98. The King of Fighters 98. The King of Fighters Dream Match 1999. The King of Fighters 99. Developer SNK Playmore. Tekken 3. Virtua Fighter 3. Developer Sega into Janky. Street Fighter Roman 3 Double Impact. Marvel vs. Capcom Clash of Superheroes. Marvel vs. Capcom Clash of Superheroes. Capcom vs. SNK Millennium Fight 2000. Street Fighter Alpha 3. Street Fighter Alpha 3. The Last Blade. Last Blade. Dead or Alive 2. Dead or Alive 2. Guilty Gear X. Guilty Gear X. JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Tech Romancer. Tech Romancer. Power Stone 2. Developer Capcom. Power Stone. Developer Capcom. Garou Mark of the Wolves. Developer SNK Playmore. The Last Blade 2. Project Justice. Developer Capcom. Soul Calibur. Developer Namco, Project Soul More Soul Calibur 65 of 178 the best video game franchises of all time, 8 of 23 retro video games that were guaranteed to ruin friendships.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.